1 year? And 1 year of doing meets and everything. Look at everybody. It's really been 1 year of doing content with everybody, car meets, all this extra stuff. It's crazy, you know? 1 year. 1 year, man. Oh yeah, man. Just look into the sky.
My jeans, say Mary, not purple. Hop inside the coupe, do circles. When I hit the gas, you hit the purple. Why the fuck your car move like a turtle? When I piss, my piss be purple. I'm on Mars right now, I took a dab of purple Urkel. This hoe acting too damn friendly, cut her out my circle. This hoe think I'm done, bitch, you must not know I'm not Urkel. 750 horse, it ain't too much for me to dust you. We can talk when I'm out just cause I might say some shit that hurt you. 100,000 on me, I'm so paranoid that I can't trust you. If I lose my lighter, they bitch saw me drive a seat, I hit the gas and almost crashed the AMG. I'm fresh as fuck, I feel like D-Lo. Say that bitch to get up with me, 3 a.m. the devil's hour, got me rolling in my sleep. I wake up, check my phone, another 10, I make the shit look easy. Then them tears on my myriad jeans, I'm standing like a mannequin. I know 200, got my bitch scared, she in here panicking. I know you niggas broke, ain't got no money, you can't handle it. I'm doing burnouts in this bitch, I'm going sideways in a whip. I got all my jewelry on, I'm hanging out the murder Vic. Hundreds falling on my pockets.
So we're starting off with, we got Manny with the drone. We got my boy Exit. Make sure y'all seen the drone footage by him. We got helicars over there. Right here. We got Aiden. We got some other guys over here. So this is the 1 year anniversary for the meets and stuff like that. We're still waiting for a lot of the guys. And we're gonna show you some of them. From the mom, Lewis. Say what's up.
Hi guys.
Lewis, you got Eli, you got Khalid, Oscar Myers.
Yeah, don't ever be scared to shine. The sun don't care if it hurts your eyes. I broke my back for you, it was your time, you had turned your spine. I'm still fucked up back cuz I down, I said I went off the line. And I still be trying to
no, G. St. Louis.
No, they ain't 10.
A Jeep? Damn.
And he took it too. Ah, he a G.
yeah. Don't ever be scared to shine. The sun don't care if it hurts your eyes. I broke my back for you, it was your time. You had turned your spine.
Nah, he's tweaking. Nah, they tweaking. That's some Jose shit right there. Dude, they don't give a fuck. Nah.
I'll do that from Bubba, man.
Bro.
Alright, y'all, we had to pull over real quick. Man, this shit going stupid, man. 1 year. 1 year. Haven't really been talking.
Yeah. Don't ever be scared to shine. The sun don't care if it hurts your eyes. I broke my back for you, it was your time. You had turned your spine. And I'm still fucked up back cuz down. I said I went offline. And I still be trying, my nigga.
Overly busting. Lord. Oh. Nah, this is stupid, boy. See? 1 year anniversary. What?
We came out, bro. Stop out.
We're here until 9 o'clock, though, they said. El Davo. Look at it. Look at Theo Davo in the cut. Fuck is he talking? Gee, he get nervous. Nah, bro, we got this bitch.
Hey, I never had it. Like, where you gonna pull up behind them? I'm gonna follow.
Y'all, I just want to say thank y'all, man. 1 year anniversary today. This shit wouldn't really be able without everybody in this bitch, you know. And I just want to, man, this shit's unreal. We got 2 parking lots full. We're gonna go to Dave's Hot Chicken after this. Y'all, not just one parking lot, but Culver's parking lot.
Process.
It's been a minute, man. It's been a minute. 1 year anniversary.
1 year.
It's my brother, man. It's twin in there. Glow Gang, half even. You see this? We're dipping right now to Dave's Hot Chicken. We got Mo, we got Davo, we got all the guys. Over there, we got Culver's packed. I mean, I was already telling everybody it's time to go. But Tomas, the only SRT Jeep that can swing it. You feel me? I appreciate everybody that came out and everything. I got my cousin, flip it over there. My big cuz right there, man.
Doing it big.
It's all love. I really do appreciate everybody. Like, thank y'all so much. 1 year, honestly, it's crazy. I met my guys a year ago, and it's like I've known these motherfuckers for.
This is just the start, man. We're barely getting started, bro.
Like you said, we're barely getting started.
1 year ain't none.
Maybe a cat in a couple months, but let's see where God blesses us, man.
For the both of us, too, man.
We wide body, big bag, big bag. For who? I can't hear you. What he said. All right, y'all, we're heading to Dave's Hot Chicken, man. I'll see y'all. Look at that bitch. That shit is sexy. But we got a camera. Man, thank y'all so much. Thank y'all so much, man. We're heading to Dave's. It's the end of the Where we at, G?
Okay, we got a number 3 mayo, add cheese, medium, no tomato sauce, no pickle.
You know what I'm saying?
Shout out Dave, man.
Shout out
this BBL chicken, bro. God damn.
Big bags, you feel me? Look at that. Oh, they take another bite. Yes, cuz, how's it food? Decent. This is, it's about to be 12 o'clock. And shit like that. Yeah, the Sketty Pack and the M3 owner and Sketty Pack owner. He's 6'2" with a white body scat with red guts. Stop playing with him.
I'm real life 4'5". That's an RT with a wide body kid. It's an RT, bro. That's a 440i, bro.
Damn. It's a 328. It's a 328 up there. Just, man, look at that.
Bass, bro.
And if he's 4'5",
Yeah, I got somebody coming right now for all these.
Playing. Oh, damn. Tell him stop playing, man.
That money on.
Shit. They said all the cats get tight today. Hey guys, Chris just turned 21. So everybody in the comments, make sure you say happy birthday to my man,
Happy birthday to
man.
that boy, bro.
Oh, you
Hey,
know this shit.
hey, for his birthday, he got
Who are
Peso
you?
Pluma
You're not
performing
SRT.
too.
Who are you?
Peso Pluma right there.
I need to explain. What you go by? What's your striker name?
SRT Davo. Oh, where?
Hey,
We
we got SRT Dave on the cut right here.